Welcome back to Dashcam Lunatic. If you enjoy our videos, consider hitting that subscribe button. To be featured in our videos, send your clips to us to the email address in the description below.
Oh, you are lovely, Morons.
Down. No, phone down. You're not concentrating because you're chatting on the phone. You're in the middle of the road, people want to split. Just concentrate, please.
tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southeastern Pennsylvania. Repeating, the tornado warning has been allowed to expire for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. The flood warning remains in effect. The flood warning continues for the Swatara Creek and Harbor Tavern from late tonight until further notice. At 3:15 p.m. Wednesday, the stage was 6.4 feet. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. Moderate flooding is forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this evening to a crest of 14.8 feet tomorrow morning. It will then fall below flood stage Friday afternoon. Impact at 9.0 feet. Several driveways and other minor roadways are affected. Water begins to enter some basements. Impact at 10.0 feet. High water isolates several houses. Impact at 12.0 feet. A number of secondary roads are closed, resulting in some evacuation. Impact at 14.0.
Norristown, Pennsylvania, heading north on Fairfield Road at the intersection of Sandy Hill. There went the Chevy, there went the Nissan, and here comes United Towing Ford F-150 in the left turn only lane. As you can see, the lights turned red. There goes the Chevy. There goes the Nissan. Oh, they ran the lights. And here's the left turn lane with United Towing going right through, straight from the left turn lane.
A few moments later.
So I got the manager from United Towing on the phone. I'm talking to him now. I'm watching him drive.
Thank you so much, Joe. How can I help you?
Yeah, hi. You've got a driver driving a white Ford pickup truck on... Wow, and he just ran a red light. Awesome.